Hello everyone. Today we'll focus on how to create basic movements for wave animation. This is day 1 of our wave animation introduction lesson. First, we select the pen tool and draw a line. After drawing the line, we go to the shape layer, then open the add and twist tool sections. We've already got a little movement. I'm going back to twist and changing my movement in the direction and manner I want. This view is enough for me. I click on the twist section and make adjustments in the timeline. If I want to copy the movement I made at the beginning, I press Command plus C, Command plus V. To smooth the movement further, I select everything and apply Easy Ease. I don't want to copy the movement forever, so I add a loop. This really helps with long animations. In our next lesson, we'll learn how to create wave movement with a shape layer. I wish you all the best.